Hello students, how are you? Dear students, in last video we discussed mole concept and mole especially to identify the value of a constant value 6.022 into 10 power 23. And today we discuss a numerical. Suppose a question of what is the mass percent of carbon in what is the mass percent of carbon in any compounds, and the mass percent is calculated using the following equation. In percent of carbon, suppose mass of carbon by mass of carbon dioxide means the compound into 100. So if a sample consisting of 1 moles of carbon dioxide used, the molecule based relation given earlier, so that 1 mole of carbon dioxide is 44.01 gram carbon dioxide equal 12.01 gram carbon plus 32.00 gram of oxygen. So thus the mass of carbon in a specific mass of carbon dioxide is known. And also the problem is solved as percent of carbon is 12.01 gram of carbon by 44.01 gram of carbon dioxide into 100. And when we calculate these types of value, the value are 27.9. So this is the process to identify. And next, suppose what is the mass percent of oxygen in carbon dioxide formula. So the mass percent is calculated using the following equation. Suppose mass percent of oxygen equal mass of oxygen by mass of carbon dioxide into 100. So once again, a sample consists of 1 mole of carbon dioxide is used to take advantage of mole base relationship given earlier where. So 1 mole, just we share it. 1 minute, dear students. So once again, a sample consists of 1 mole of carbon dioxide is used to take advantage of the mole base relation given earlier where. So 1 mole carbon dioxide equal 44.01 carbon dioxide equal 12.01 gram of carbon plus 32.00 gram of oxygen. So the mass of oxygen in a specific mass of carbon dioxide known as the problem is solved as percent of carbon dioxide percent of oxygen equal 32.00 gram of oxygen by 44.01 gram of carbon dioxide into 100. So the value are 72.71%. So we see that the percent of carbon plus percent of oxygen equal 100%. This should be the case because C and O are the only elements present in carbon dioxide. So this is the sum contained, and Richard Feldman and Julian Schwazner have give us a reformulation of physics, and the LLS want to force of answer the question what is an atom in the molecules and how does one predict its properties. So this question were posed in my laboratory, where it was demonstrated that this new formulation of physics when applied to the observe topically of the distribution of electronic charge in real space adds a unique partition of some total system into a set of bounded spherical region to forms and properties of the groups to define faithfully recover the characteristics ascribed to the atoms and functional group of chemistry. So by establishing to form properties of the groups of by establishing this association, the molecular structure hypothesis is freed from the empirical constraint, and the full predictive powers of quantum mechanism can be incorporated into the resulting theory. A theory of atom is molecules and crystal. And the theory recovers the central operational concept of the molecule's structural hypothesis, that of a functional grouping of atoms with an additive and characteristic set of properties together with a definition of the bonds that link the atom and impart of structure. Not only does the theory thereby quantify and provide the physical understanding of the extension constant of chemistry, it makes possible new application of theory, and this new application will eventually enable one to perform on a computer in a manner directly paralleling. So experiment everything that can now be done in the laboratory, but more quickly and more efficiently by linking together the functional group of those theory. This application include the designs and synthesis of new molecules and new material with a specific desirable properties. So the theory of atoms in molecules enable one to take advantage of single most important observation of chemistry, that of a functional group with a characteristic set of properties. This documents outlines and listed the topological basis of theory and its relation to the quantum mechanism of an open system. So, what is a atom and other types of content we discuss to next video. Okay, thank you.